it's Alli Peck from Glamour Glow Academy. Let's talk about camera lenses. I have a lot of camera lenses. How many do I actually use? Probably 2. So for indoor and studio work, I love my Sigma Art 50 and my Sigma Art 35. They are the best lenses. I have used Canon in the past and they were a solid lens. I love the color from my Canon lenses. However, I found the Sigma Art to be a lot sharper. And because of this, it really, it was a benefit for me to switch over. However, I still have Canon lenses. For my outdoor work, I use the Canon 70-200 for outdoor, as well as the 85 and the 135. And they're great. They're all great. I think my go-to lens would probably be the 70-200 because I'm a bit lazy, and with a fixed focal length, I don't like running back and forth over a field. So if you're lazy like me, stick to the 70-200. If you are very athletic, go for the fixed focal length so you can run back and forth and get exercise during your session. Again, for my indoor, it's the Sigma Art. Love them, gorgeous, amazing. Can't say enough about it. Wish I could afford more. They're great. If you enjoyed this tip, I'd love to see you at glamourglowacademy.com, where we have many more things for you to learn and grow as a photographer.